Hey everyone, welcome back to the Robotics channel. Before we move forward, if you have not seen the previous videos, make sure to click the I button above or check the links in the description below. In those videos, we covered how to test the chassis movement and how to connect all the required components for our firefighting robot. Now this is the third video and the final video you will see. What's the Arduino code we will use, how to upload the code and the complete working of our firefighting robot. So let's begin. For this final part, we will need the firefighting robot with complete connection as done in the earlier video, one USB cable to upload the code, one 3.7 volt rechargeable battery with holder, half-cut plastic bottle as a small water container for the pump. Once you have everything ready, let's move on to the coding part. Step 1. Download the code file from the description below. Step 2. Open it in the Arduino IDE. If you don't have an Arduino IDE, download and install it first. Now let's break down the code and understand how it works. The library helps control the servo motor that moves the water spray. We assign pins for flame sensors, motor, relay and servo motor. This helps us refer to each connection easily. Now these values decide whether the robot should move, align or stop to spray water. The robot turns slowly when aligning to fire and moves faster when heading straight. Here we define output pins, attach the servo motor and start serial communication to monitor sensor readings. In the loop function, we read all three flame sensors. Then based on these readings, the robot decides whether the fire is and how to move. If no fire is detected, then it stays still. If fire is detected on the left, then turn left slowly. If the fire is detected on the right, then turn right slowly. If fire is ahead but not too close, then move forward. If fire is very close, then stops, activates the relay and sprays water. Function like move forward normal function, turn left slow function and stop motor function control the direction of motor rotation and speed using PWM pins. This part moves the servo motor left and right while the water pump sprays, considering a wide area to extinguish the fire. Once you understand the code, let's upload it to the Arduino. Connect your Arduino UNO to your computer using the USB cable. In the Arduino IDE, go to Tools, select Board and Arduino UNO. Then go to the Tool, select Port and select the correct COM port. Click the Upload button, the right arrow icon. Once the upload is complete, your code is now on the Arduino. Now let's test if our sensors are working correctly before full operation. Keep the USB cable connected. Now in the Arduino IDE, click the magnifying glass icon on the top right corner. That's the serial monitor. Set the baud rate to 9600. Now take a light and stable flame, preferably a pocket lighter, and bring it near each sensor one by one. Now you will see the sensor reading update in the serial monitor as the robot detects fire on the left, center or right. Please do this state under adult supervision and in a well-lit room for safety purpose. Now before checking the complete working of the robot, keep these things in mind. Use a small and stable flame only. Make sure all sensor diodes are pointed straight ahead and not up or down. Ensure batteries are fully charged. The testing area should have decent lighting to avoid any false detection. Now place a small water container like a half-cut bottle on the back of the robot and put the water pump inside it. Insert the batteries. Turn the main switch on for the motor driver power supply. Now comes the exciting part. Let's see how this firefighting robot in action. As soon as you bring a flame close, the robot detects the fire detection using 3 flame sensor. It moves toward the fire automatically. When the fire is very close, it stops, the relay turns on, activating the water pump. The servo motor starts sweeping side to side, spraying water to extinguish the fire. Once the flame is gone, it stops spraying and returns to standby mode, ready for the next detection. And that's how your firefighting robot detects and extinguishes fire automatically. And that wraps our firefighting robot project series. We have successfully built, code and tested a robot that can detect and extinguish fire on its own. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to RoboArmy for more such amazing robotics tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next project.
RoboArmy. One-stop global community for teens in robotics and AI.